Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create an album in OneDrive. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to create an album. On the left corner of the screen, right below My Files, you will see something called as Photos. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page. Well, as you can see, it has all my photos. Now right now, what I want to do is simply click on this albums button right here. Simply click on it, and right here this is the albums page. Right now what we want to do is simply create an album. So let's click on this button right here that says create a new album. Likewise, when you click on it, this thing will open up. Simply name your new album. As you can see, I have named it. Now let's click on add photos. From here, simply select the photos that you want to add to the album. As you can see, I'm selecting a few. And once everything's okay, simply hit on create album. And guys, that is it. As you can see, we have successfully created an album using OneDrive Web. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.